I'm member Xiaoyan Liu. I'm an assistant professor from the Levy School of Business at Santa Clara University. This video is intended for the Informs Service Science Best DEIJ Paper Competition of 2023. Welcome to my flash talk on the research paper titled The Impact of the Opportunity Zone Program on Residential Real Estate. Joint work with Ron Beckerman, Maxine Cohen, John Maiden, and Dimitri Mantrofano. As part of the U.S. Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017, the Opportunity Zone Program is an innovative government initiative that provides tax incentives for investors to invest in economically distressed communities. The program is intended to make a positive impact on the underserved communities, which have higher poverty rates and are typically faced with limited access to capital and systemic discrimination. The designation of Opportunity Zones, or OZs, was completed by July 2018, and approximately 12% of all the U.S. Census tracts were selected, and all the selected OZs had to meet two criteria based on poverty rate and median income. In this research, our team conducts an independent investigation of the impact of the OZ program and provides an algorithmic recommendation of OZ selection with fairness. Our research is motivated by, firstly, the significance of the program. The OZ program is the most significant U.S. place-based incentive program in the last decade, and it has great potential to bring more fairness and justice to socioeconomic development. And secondly, the lack of transparency in the current government OZ selection, and many reported incidences of OZ property transactions with exorbitant prices. In this research, we are keen to answer two main research questions. Number one, has the program fulfilled its intended goal to make a positive impact on the underserved communities? To this end, we leverage a large-scale proprietary real estate dataset and public census tract demographics data. We use quasi-experiment design and a suite of empirical strategies, including spillover, robust difference in differences models, matching, and synthetic control methods. And we rigorously estimate the average treatment effect of the OZ program on real estate metrics. We find that the OZ program has significantly increased the real estate prices by approximately 4 to 6%, and the increase is more salient for higher-end zones. But there is no impact on transactional volume. Our interpretation of this finding is that the OZ program has successfully boosted demand in investors for underserved communities. However, the program has also induced cherry-picking behavior among investors, since investors tended to favor pricier zones when making an investment. This insight raises fairness concerns and invites our second research question. How can we better design the OZ program to achieve a more fair and socially responsible outcome? Our proposal is to improve the OZ selection process, because empirically, we have also found that the government OZ selection process favored pricier zones, and in our view, this was the main reason that caused cherry-picking behavior among investors. To achieve a more fair outcome, we developed a mixed integer programming model that incorporates fairness-aware objective and constraints. After obtaining the optimal assignment using the state-of-the-art solver, we further show that the optimal assignment outperforms the government assignment in multiple dimensions of fairness. Particularly, we find that one of the key fairness implications is that the less deviation of the government assignment were from the optimal assignment, the more balanced and fair pattern would be seen in the growth of the real estate metrics. There has been a lot of discussion among policymakers, industry practitioners, and academics on the effectiveness of the OZ program. Our research joins this discussion through the lens of not only the economic benefit, but also fairness and social justice. We hope our research provides helpful guidance for a comprehensive evaluation of the OZ program, and also the future design of place-based policies. Thank you.